To be prudent, the idea is as you get closer to needing your money for your financial goals, which means you have financial obligations, the money should come out of the market well in advance. Because if you do that and you are proactive, what that means is every time there's a down market, a down week, a down month, a down year, it's just part of the process. The markets go up, the markets go down, but you trust that one day things rebound and go even higher. This is why financial advisors educate people so that in times of distress, of panic, you don't make decisions that we're going to regret. I think as a fiduciary financial advisor that my most important role is to be a sounding board for you when you're making financial decisions. You want to know that you made your decisions and your changes in advance, raised your cash that you need to live on so that you get through the up markets and the down markets calmly without making surprise moves and knee-jerk reactions. You could either be proactive or reactive. I think the benefit of working with a financial advisor is that we're proactive and we're a sounding board. So when you make financial decisions, we have experience. We've dealt with hundreds or thousands of clients who face the same decision as you, and we get to take all that knowledge and all that reasoning and put it together into an open, honest conversation with you. And that's what makes the relationship worthwhile.